Please welcome the Program Chair for the 2022 WuXi Global Forum, Hui Kai, Vice President and Head of Content at WuXi AppTec.
Dear colleagues and friends, Happy New Year and welcome to the WuXi Global Forum 2022. 2022 marks the forum's 10th anniversary. I'm deeply humbled to see how far we have come along together. At the WuXi AppTec, helping patients and contributing to the global innovation ecosystem have always been at the core of everything we do. I'm deeply touched by the community that we have built together through the forum. What started about 10 years ago as a small gathering of 150 attendees has now grown to thousands. Today, as we celebrate the 10th WuXi Global Forum, I invite you to reflect on the significance of our industry's collective impact and what can we do better to make a bigger difference to patients. Thank you again for joining us from wherever you are around the world. Whether this is your 10th WuXi Global Forum or your first, I want to thank you. Thank you, our speakers and participants, for being part of this global community that is committed to helping patients. Welcome to today's discussions.
Please welcome Mingjung Chen, Co-CEO of WuXi AppTec, to deliver the opening remarks.
Welcome, everyone. I'm honored to open the 10th annual WuXi Global Forum. I hope all of you had a wonderful holiday season. It is our honor to have so many distinguished leaders here today to reflect on the progress of our industry in the last decade, and also how we can continue to advance the future of healthcare industry. Over the past 2 years, we have not only continued to bring novel therapies to the market, but also rising to the challenge of the global health crisis and developed vaccines and treatments for COVID-19 with unprecedented speed. WuXi AppTec continues to be inspired by the heroic efforts of this industry. Over the last year, we further enhanced our enabling platform globally and also proudly supported the work of our partners with our unique CRDMO and CTDMO models. In the next decade, we cannot lose sight of our shared commitment, doing the right things for patients and families across the globe, from investing in emerging technologies to discovering novel drugs that improve the quality of life. My colleagues and I at WuXi AppTec look forward to working with you in the years ahead to realize our shared vision that every drug can be made and every disease can be treated. Before I turn the podium over, I want to thank our distinguished speakers for their valuable perspectives. Moreover, I want to thank all of you for attending. As we listen, engage, and gather insights, I invite all of you to think about, together, how we can continue to transform the future of healthcare and truly make a positive impact in patients' lives. Again, thank you.